Good news, YouTube TV fans, the app redesign we've been waiting for is finally here. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. After months of delays, the new interface is rolling out now on smart TVs and streaming devices like Apple TV, promising a smoother, more intuitive viewing experience. First off, the on-screen controls have been reorganized into 3 clear sections right under the video scrubber. Channel info, video description, and subscribe sit on the left, playback buttons in the center, and interaction controls like dislike, comment, save, captions, and settings on the right. It's cleaner, easier, and much less cluttered. Video titles have moved too, now appearing at the top left of the player, but they're no longer clickable. Instead, a new description button replaces them, giving you quick access to creator details, metadata, comments, video chapters, and even a how this was made section, including any AI-generated content. The subscribe button is now front and center in the playback controls, always visible, letting you quickly subscribe and set notifications for live streams. For sports fans, a multi-view control is included for live events, while music and premium subscribers gain a new display mode option. These changes aren't the greatest, but they fix years of interface frustration. Navigation is smoother, controls are easier to find, and the overall design feels far more consistent with YouTube's mobile apps. In short, YouTube TV finally looks and feels modern, making binge watching, live sports, and subscribing to your favorite creators simpler than ever, so we can say the wait was worth it. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.